Diving into the deep blue with a smart dive watch strapped to your wrist. Which one will take you deeper? Today we compare the flagship Garmin Quatix 7 and the specialist Descent Mk3 to reveal the ultimate smart dive companion. So, why delay? Let's dive into it.
Are you struggling to explain your idea? Your audience is not getting what you're trying to say. An animated explainer video is a perfect solution for you. Explainer video simplifies any complex ideas through engaging animations, transitions, voiceovers, and meaningful scripts, which all together create a fun experience for any viewer. And here comes 10 Studio, a team of skilled professionals dedicated to creating engaging explainer videos. With over thousands completed projects, we have the expertise to create explainer videos that break down your message and connect with your audience. Get in touch with 10 Studio today.
When it comes to design, both watches can hold their own underwater, but offer different advantages. The Garmin Quatix 7 sports a premium look that transitions seamlessly from the marina to the office. Its stainless steel bezel and sapphire crystal lens give it a refined yet rugged feel. The curved watch face and lightweight build make it a versatile accessory out of the water too. Meanwhile, the Descent Mk3 pulls off a bolder look fitting its specialized diving prowess. The chunky silicone band can withstand knocks against rocks or your dive tank. And the circular 1.2-inch display delivers crisp visuals even at depth. Its heavier, chunkier build is made to endure extreme diving environments. So if you want a diving watch with smart versatility, the Quatix 7 wins for style and lightweight wearing. But serious divers will appreciate the robust, purpose-built aesthetics of the Descent Mk3. Delving into the key features, both watches come well-equipped for diving, but they each bring something different to the table. The Quatix 7 provides everything casual divers need, including dive logging, underwater compass, and ABC sensors. Handy sailing and fishing apps also make it great for time spent boating. With color topographic maps and access to Garmin's coastal charts, it can even replace your onboard nav system. But for hardcore diving, the Descent Mk3 opens up more advanced capabilities. The air integration gives you live tank pressure monitoring for up to 8 divers. This expands your situational awareness and safety underwater. It also packs a diver-to-diver messaging system using sonar waves to transmit preset messages. This enables basic communication and monitoring between you and your dive buddies. For smartwatch capabilities, the Quatix 7 shines. The touchscreen interface, music storage, Garmin Pay, and full health or fitness metrics make it a capable companion 24/7, while the Descent focuses its features on the diving experience. But it still brings popular metrics like VO2 max, sleep tracking, and training apps to keep you active and informed. Now to the nitty-gritty, how well do they perform on an actual dive? The Quatix 7 gives you solid diving basics down to 100 meters, including pattern tracking and data syncing through the Garmin app. So it's great for tracking recreational dives. But for technical diving, the Descent Mk3 opens up more possibilities. A 200-meter water rating means you can go twice as deep, and its substantial battery will last up to 30 hours in full dive mode. This stamina lets you dive multiple days between charges if needed. The Descent also packs more dedicated dive modes, including gauge and closed-circuit rebreather. So if you're pushing depth limits or diving obscure gas mixes, it has you covered. Both models nail the essential ABC sensors and compasses to stay oriented underwater. They also record key metrics like depth, time, and temperature. However, the Descent Mk3 pulls ahead again with exclusive features like its surface GPS markers to precisely track entry and exit points. This helps you return to prime underwater spots. Only the Descent Mk3 offers this handy level of precision for technically mapping your dives. Once back on dry land, connectivity features help you make the most of your diving data. Both watches wirelessly sync your dive logs to the Garmin app for reviewing and sharing. However, the Quatix 7 opens up more connectivity by being part of Garmin's broader marine ecosystem. You can pair it directly with Garmin chart plotters to access key boat controls like the autopilot while diving, and it integrates with the onboard Fusion stereo system on compatible vessels. For divers who also spend time boating, the Quatix 7 offers seamless connectivity that enhances time spent on the water. The Descent Mk3, however, is focused squarely on enhancing the diving experience. The sonar transmission system sets it apart for staying connected underwater. But when on the surface, the Quatix 7 pulls ahead for connectivity with your vessel's systems. An essential factor for any diving watch is having battery power that lasts multiple days. Both watches deliver impressive battery performance, but the Descent Mk3 wins this round with its staggering 30-hour dive mode and 10-day smartwatch mode from a single charge. This dwarfs the Quatix 7's already decent 60 hours in GPS mode. For multi-day diving trips, the Descent Mk3 has longevity, so you can focus on diving rather than charging. Even in smartwatch mode, the Descent Mk3 outlasts the Quatix 7 by several days. So while the Quatix 7 provides solid battery life, the Descent Mk3 is the undisputed champ for sustaining long stints underwater and having ample juice in reserve. Lastly, price. The Descent Mk3 commands a premium at $1,399 versus the Quatix 7 at $599. You pay for those advanced dive capabilities and robust construction. So consider how deep your diving goes. For hardcore diving, the Descent Mk3 can't be beat. But if you want a versatile partner between dives and on the boat, the Quatix 7 keeps up while saving you money. So, in the battle of the dive watches, both the Garmin Quatix 7 and Descent Mk3 have strengths that make them compelling options. For multisport water lovers who occasionally dive, the Quatix 7 takes the crown. But serious divers should invest in the hardcore Descent Mk3 for unmatched capability below the surface. No matter which one you choose, their smart dive technology will help you to go deep safely and come back with amazing memories. So that was our take on Garmin Quatix 7 versus Descent Mk3. Don't forget to share your thoughts with us. As for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.